when it comes to doing numbers, yeah, it might not be your strong point. So guess what? You send it to someone else to do the numbers. Kind of like the same thing I do with my writing. If you see a deal you completely think according to your numbers, is it worth it to you to pay, someone to make sure you're on the right track so you don't have to do it? Okay, because the other part you already know. That's all it is. You know enough people that are very well at all the steps. So you have the connections there. Hey, if I send, you can do what you think is good and then send it over. That's all it is. So yeah, you might have to put out some money, but if you're not good at it and you don't want to do it, that's not going to stop you from not doing the business. You just work around it and you get somebody that knows how to do it. Simple. What about writing the offers? After you wrote so many, you're going to feel comfortable. But at the beginning, you might want to check. While I'm here, I'm going to help you. But I'm not always going to be here. By that time, you should be, good. But if still, you might be writing offers like I am about writing essays. You get somebody else to do it. That's thinking outside the box, figuring out how to do it. When I got my first house that I didn't have any money, and it had a roof leak in the living room, I learned how to do it from YouTube. I got all the stuff. I literally tried to get up on the ladder, and I would freeze in terror getting up there because I am like terrified of it. Finally, after a few days, I just realized, you know what? I can't do it. And I don't want to do it. So I got somebody else to do it.
Exactly.
Do you know how to rewire a house? No? So if your house needs rewiring, would you hire an electrician?
Absolutely.
That's the same thing. I didn't even have to tell you. You automatically thought, oh, I'll just call an electrician. I didn't have to tell you that. You just call somebody that knows how to do the numbers. Simple. That's it. You know the essentials. You know how to do an email. You take pictures and you send it. You worked around it. Done. Like Catherine said, go to, FedEx or Staples. They'll do it for you if they won't take your picture. That's it. Problem solved.